Hello and welcome to another cooking video. This time based on AI suggestions. So today we're making a Paraguayan soup. What's it called? Vegan Pira Caldo. Pira Caldo, and we're making a vegan version of it. Okay, we're going to need 2 onions, a green bell pepper, red bell pepper, orange sticks, carrots, celery sticks, 4 tomatoes, leek, bay leaves, toothpaste, coconut water, palm hearts, olive oil, vegetable broth, feta cheese, paprika powder. That's it. Now we get to cooking. First, cut your vegetables. What about this onion? This onion wants to be cut too. Cut the leek apart. Don't forget to stay hydrated. This is a picture of me, by the way. Very accurate. I'd say we'd need more color in this. Insert the carrot into the bowl. Now you put 3 spoons of olive oil into a pot. Yes, look at this. That's me, my reflection. While your olive oil is getting hot, cut your bell pepper, just like depicted here. Where's the green one? Also the green one, don't let it survive. You may also use yellow bell peppers or blue ones if you prefer them. We have so much green already. A bit of yellow would fit very nicely in this. Oh, look at this, that looks cool. Whee! Put the bell pepper away in the meantime. I don't know why though. Now dissect the tomato. As soon as your olive oil is hot enough, insert the green and yellow vegetable mix. So healthy. Look at it cook. Yes. 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 Sprinkle in some salt. Let it cook until it's cooked. Now you insert the bell peppers. The sign to insert the bell pepper was that the onions looked like glass. So healthy. I might actually lose some weight eating this, I don't know. Now insert the tomatoes. Stir the pot. Yummy. Now insert the bay leaves. Now insert 2 spoons of toothpaste. Add bell pepper powder. 2 teaspoons of bell pepper powder. Stir it up. This looks fantastic. So healthy. I might as well turn into a tree by looking at this. Next, get about 400 milliliters of water and then you pour it into the pot. There it goes. And also crumble in your vegetable broth, because that's what you do with a vegetable broth dice or something like that. And now you stir it up again. Look at this. It's almost looking like a soup already. And how? Molto bene. Mucho gusto. Something like that. Next, you get your coconut milk water and you also insert it. Look at this. Now the color is like, I don't know about the color. I've seen prettier colors, but yes, it's looking like a soup already. Look at this. So much vegetable, so healthy. Season your weird soup with some pepper. The pepper powder, and just do this. And now let the whole thing cook for about 10 minutes or so. Next, get one of your palm hearts out of the glass. Next, get your palm hearts and cut them. They might be really hard to get depending on wherever you live. Let me try one. Interesting. Palm hearts. Then put them into your soup. There they go. Disappearing in the orange thing. Now let this cook for some few more minutes and afterwards it's done. Once your soup has finished cooking, you serve it. The final step before you eat it, sprinkle the feta cheese on top, just like this. And there goes your Pira Caldo, your vegan version of Pira Caldo. I don't know how it differs from the non-vegan version, but who cares? Enjoy.